Here in the United States, large-scale open-pit mining begins the process of transforming raw ore into pure gold bars.
Raw material extraction continues as gold-bearing rock is loaded. The ore is carefully monitored for grade consistency.
In the preliminary stage, gold ore passes through heavy-duty crushers. Operators monitor the feed rate.
The crushed gold ore is carried by conveyor belts through vibrating screens, separating the material by size.
Make sure those clasps are fully engaged. Levers locked down tight. We are secure. Containers locked. All clear. All right, drivers, let's roll.
Heavily secured convoys transport the raw gold ore across industrial routes bound for the refinery. It's the first step in creating pure gold bars. Inside the refinery intake zone, automated unloading systems and reinforced hoppers are prepared to receive the gold ore.
Gold-bearing ore enters the industrial ball mills. Rotating steel drums grind the ore into fine particles as operators monitor the speed and load levels.
Pressure's holding steady up here. Yeah. Increasing the flow rate now. Watch the slurry consistency.
Ground gold ore is mixed with process water in large agitated tanks to form slurry. Operators adjust mixing paddles and water flow.
Look at the agitation speed here on tank 2. It's too high.
Adjusting the flow regulators now.
The absorption rate is increasing steadily. We should see gold loading peak in the next few hours.
All right, I'll adjust the flow regulator to compensate for the change in density.
Material tracking secure.
Seals verified on the recovery system. We are green for transfer.
Interlocks verified. Initiating sequence.
Insulation steady. Proceed. Flow rate on vessel 3 needs adjustment. Saturation is incomplete.
Roger that. Increasing the solvent pump rate now. The recovered gold solution flows into secure stainless steel holding tanks awaiting further refining. Workers The collected gold sludge is first filtered and then dried in these controlled ovens to remove all moisture before the smelting process begins.
The induction furnaces are meticulously preheated. Workers conduct thorough safety inspections before the smelting process begins.
How gold is made into 1 Kangbar's gold smelting process begins.
The cooling rate on the center row is stable.
Confirmed. I'm logging the temps now.
This batch is clear. Let's move them down. All right, sending the next ones over now.
Furnace temperature stabilizing at 1200 degrees Celsius.
Crucible temperatures look good for the fusion phase.
Purity reading confirms 99.99% gold.
Excellent. It meets the standard for the 1 kilogram bars.
The spectral analysis confirms 99.99% purity. The assay results are conclusive.
Agreed.
Proved gold ingots are returned to smelting areas for additional purification, if required, for 1 kg bar standards.
Remaining impurities are carefully skimmed from the molten gold during secondary refining, ensuring a high purity before the gold is cast.
The molten gold is held at a precise temperature in these crucibles, ready for casting into 1 kilogram bars.
The casting process begins inside security by proper requirements as powerful.
The automated mold release mechanism opens, revealing solidified 1 kilogram gold bars. Workers.
This one is reading 999.9 purity.
Good. Checking the dimensional stability now.
Precision measurement machines verify the length, width, thickness, and weight of each 1 kilogram gold bar during the inspection stage.
The surface finishing process begins as the gold bars are machine polished. Workers ensure the equipment is sanitized and
Automated systems smooth the surfaces of the gold bars, removing imperfections. Operators carefully monitor the speed and pressure. As part of the process of how gold is made into 1 kg bars, the approved metal is transferred to the final quality control stage. The XRF analysis confirms 999.999% purity.
Spectrometer readings are stable.
Length, width, and thickness all check out against the specifications.
Confirmed. This batch is good to go.
Signing off on the physical documents.
Digital certification is complete. The results are verified.
Markings clear and correctly placed on this unit.
Approved.
Data recorded. Moving to the next bar. With certification complete, the facility prepares to transition these immaculate bars to the packaging line.
Tension seems consistent across the film.
The seal temperature is holding steady.
The wrapped 1 kilogram gold bars now pass through the inspection station, verifying complete enclosure and seal quality. As part of the secondary packaging process, automated systems precisely place the wrapped bars into protective cases. The tamper-evident sealing machine secures the protective cases. The workers monitor the seal formation and pressure closely. Automated cartoning machines place the sealed cases of 1 kg gold bars into reinforced cartons, supervised by operators in protective uniforms. The inspection process ensures the structural integrity and tamper evidence of every sealed 1 kg gold bar carton.
The completed 1 kilogram bars are then transferred to secure storage using electric forklifts, entering the high-security vault.
Right here, Zone 4 access lane.
Confirmed. Lowering the pallet now.
Inventory checks complete on this aisle. Everything accounted for.
Confirmed. The vault is ready for seal.
Count matches the manifest. Signature required here. Verified. Ready for loading.
Keep coming back straight. Easy now.
Clear on Bay 3. Forklift approaching.
Confirmed. Bring it in.
Clear on this side. Clear inside. Set it down. Confirmed. Pallet secure.
Load placement verified. Distribution is balanced. Restraint systems engaged. Approved for transport.
Manifest confirmed. Seal the doors. Convoy 1, you are clear to roll.
Doors secure. Rolling out.
The freshly minted gold bars are loaded into armored vehicles. The high-security convoy departs the refinery for distribution to vaults across the globe.
Upon arrival at the secure distribution facility, the armored convoy initiates the custody transfer.
Count confirmed on pallet 7.
Noted. Security seals verified.
Verify the count for Zone B, then transfer the manifest data to the central system. Copy that. Moving to Zone B now.
Advanced environmental controls and surveillance systems maintain stable conditions within the vault as technicians inspect the infrastructure and monitor the sensors.
This stack here, number 7, does the physical count match the ledger?
It does. I'm confirming the audit trail now.
Access logs also verify the chain of custody.
Beyond production, the continuity of the supply chain relies on secure, organized storage, housing tons of refined gold bars.
All systems confirmed offline in the refinery sector.
Logistics area secure. Inventory matches manifest.
Place it right alongside the main shipment.
Inventory confirmed. Rotation is complete.
This stamp right here confirms the refiner impurity, sir.
Okay, let me cross-reference that against the digital manifest.
And the weight certification.
This serial number matches the casting record here. Yes, that confirms the weight certification.
These pallets contain thousands of 1 kilogram gold bars, crucial for maintaining the National Reserve Management Strategy.
Inventory scan complete on sectors 3 and 4.
Acknowledged. All green this side. Readiness level maintained.
Bars are secure and the inventory matches the manifest.
Backup systems show green across the board. The vault is operating normally. The end-to-end efficiency from mining to vault storage is up 15%. That exceeds our Q4 targets.
We need to verify the metrics in Section 3.